DigitalBix fashions. As women, we love updating our wardrobe. We like having different clothes for different occasions. Be it at our workplace or at a party, we want to look our best. Here are the 5 top stylish party wear tops for women. Number 1. Party wear tops and pants. An exquisitely embellished top on fitted pants is a great choice for a party. Pick a top like this in a dark color so that the embellishment looks even better. Number 2. Sexy party wear top. Velvet is a luxurious fabric and a velvet girl's sexy party top will surely make you the star of any party. You can wear this sexy peplum top with noodle straps at a day party too by pairing it with the right accessories. Number 3. Party wear crop top. This plum crop top comes with an amazing interknotted detail at the center, making it one of the best stylish party wear tops. Number 4. Party wear lace top with long sleeves. Lace can never go out of style and its vintage elegance will make you look gorgeous on any occasion. This semi-sheer top with a stylish back is an ideal fancy top for a party, especially a formal one. Number 5. Ethnic party wear top. If you are planning to wear something ethnic or traditional to a party, then this is the best party top that you need. It is a beige colored sleeveless ladies party top with a peplum design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.